Are you or someone you know living with visual impairment and looking for a smarter, more independent way to navigate daily life? Imagine an app that can describe your surroundings, read signs and menus, identify objects, and even interpret artwork all with just your voice. That's exactly what the Emvi app promises. But does it really deliver? Or is it just another overhyped tool? Let's break it all down in this honest review and help you decide if Emvi is truly worth using. The Emvi app is an AI-powered visual assistant designed to aid blind and visually impaired users by providing real-time scene descriptions, object recognition, and text reading capabilities. Developed in collaboration with the blind and low vision community, Emvi aims to enhance independence and accessibility through intuitive, voice-operated features. Key features: scene description. Emvi captures images and provides detailed descriptions of surroundings, including identifying objects, people, and potential hazards. Text recognition, OCR. The app reads, summarizes, and translates printed or handwritten texts, assisting users in understanding various documents and signs. Object and hazard detection. Emvi can locate specific objects and detect obstacles, aiding in navigation and daily tasks. Art interpretation. The app interprets artworks, describing visual elements and conveying the emotional ambiance of pieces. Image analysis from messaging apps. Emvi analyzes images received through platforms like WhatsApp, providing context and descriptions. User experience. Emvi boasts a fully voice-operated interface, ensuring ease of use for individuals with visual impairments. The app's design focuses on simplicity, with intuitive navigation and quick access to its core features. Users have reported that Emvi effectively assists in daily activities, from reading menus to identifying objects in unfamiliar environments. Pricing. Emvi offers a freemium model, allowing users to access basic features at no cost. For full functionality, subscription options include monthly plan, $4.99, annual plan, $59.99, lifetime access, $200. Pros and cons. Pros: comprehensive AI-powered assistance tailored for visually impaired users. User-friendly voice-operated interface. Versatile features, including text reading, object detection, and art interpretation. Cons: some users have reported occasional inaccuracies in text recognition. Subscription required for full feature access. Final verdict: Emvi stands out as a valuable tool for the blind and visually impaired community, offering a suite of features that enhance daily living and independence. While there are areas for improvement, particularly in text recognition accuracy, the app's overall functionality and user-centric design make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking AI-assisted visual support. Disclaimer: this review is based on available information and user experiences. Individual experiences may vary, and it's recommended to conduct thorough research before engaging with any application.